Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I teach you winning product for Shopify dropshipping business. But before start our topic, if you are new on my YouTube channels, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon buttons. Due to this, you will be able to see the latest video on time. You will never miss any videos or any updates related to my YouTube channels. So now let's start our topic. First of all, open the Google Chrome and search winning products. How to find winning product, how to find winning products for Shopify dropshipping Shopify. Then you will see the different result that is related to this search, and we can check one by one. How do you find a winning product on Shopify? This is the video. We cannot watch video, we read theory. What dropshipping product is most successful? Top trending dropshipping niches. Women cloth, one of the most trending and profitable dropshipping niches as seen over the past 5 years is women cloth. Baby products, tools, car accessories, beauty products, tracks, suits, wireless security cameras. How do I find item for dropshipping? How to find the perfect dropshipping products? Find trending products. They are perfect for a dropshipping business. Finding a niche dropshipping products, competitors product research product hashtag on TikTok, search social shopping sites for products that sell, join online communities to find product dropshipping. How do you tell if a product is good for dropshipping? Thus, in this article, I have outlined 5 tips for choosing a winning dropshipping products. Consider avoiding products that are too large or too fragile. Find novels products to sell souls consumers paint. Ensures the products you are selling are easy to use. Do not choose a product simple because it's expensive. So all these questions, what makes a winning products? Winning products are products that our target audience loves and sells like crazy. This product will give you the confidence to keep going, and it's unlikely you will give up on your dropshipping store after you are seeing sales dropshipping. So now our topic is end. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.